our butter is okay. I'm very sorry that I didn't show you when I was mixing. I will be using 3 colors. That's my vanilla, you saw when I was mixing it. That's my chocolate, I just added chocolate. That's my red velvet. Don't worry, that's video on its own. I will show you how I made red velvet and chocolate. That will be in our next video. So now I'm making marble cake. So as you can see, I'm placing it now in the pan. Please make sure you grease your pan very well with your butter or with your oil. So after that, it will be ready to enter the oven. So guys, hope you are enjoying this video. Hope this video added value. Okay, so I'll be putting coconut. What you're seeing on top is coconut, so I added coconut on top. So what would I call it? Would I call it coconut cake? Or anyway, you can name it whatever you want to name it. So it's ready to enter the oven. After that, you will see the outcome. It was so delicious. Wish you tested it with me.